In today's video, we are excited to show you one of the coolest amenities you typically don't get a chance to see. Although you may not physically see it in your new home, you certainly will feel it.
That's right. One of the coziest features you possibly would have is radiant heat or warm floor.
As a personal homeowner, one of my #1 must-haves is in-floor heating in a home. There's no better feeling than waking up on a crisp winter morning, walking into your bathroom and feeling the warmth on the bottom of your feet. Year-round, you can open and close your shower door without feeling any air temperature change in the room.
That's right. You can choose to zone it however you like. Here at Arrowhead One, we have 5 loops, and one of those loops has the master bathroom and laundry room on one zone, allowing us to keep those rooms with comfort year-round. We have about 1,500 feet here, linear feet, of half-inch PEX tubing on 2-inch Creatherm foam panels, providing a vapor barrier, excellent compression strength, and high-capacity insulation. They actually provide channels as well to keep the PEX tubing spaced evenly.
In-floor heating is a complete game changer.
It sure is. It sure is. Our next step here is we're going to put 10-gauge wire mesh on top of this foam to give our concrete some strength. Frame the home, finish the mechanicals before we install our Navion Combi boiler. We'll also use Tecmar thermostats to communicate to this boiler, deciding which zones need to turn on or off. The first and most important feature of our boiler is to supply the domestic hot water needs of the home. Secondly, it'll take care of all of the warm floor of the home. As a Tecmar thermostat calls for heat, it'll either use the air temperature or a floor sensor. And it'll send it to either a pump, or in this instance, we're gonna use actuators on our half-inch PEX manifold.
Typically, you want to keep your in-floor heating set a few degrees warmer than the air temperature in the room. Currently, our master bathroom is set at 76 degrees. At this temperature, it's great to keep the room feeling warm and cozy all months of the year. Whether you have little ones running around or you simply just want to keep your muscles and joints from aching, in-floor heating is an absolute must for anyone.
Yeah, those floor sensors actually prevent the slab from overshooting and getting too warm, overshooting the air temperature, so we limit them between 80 and 85 degrees. It also protects those floor coverings as well, so those floor sensors will be running year-round.
Thank you so much for tuning in and watching us. Feel free to check us out at www.masterplanhomes.com.
Yeah, and you can like or subscribe as well. Thank you.